speaking about vehicles, here's an interesting story that's coming from Bengaluru. Even a Ferrari isn't above the law in Karnataka at least, and certainly not above road tax. Imagine spending 7.5 crores on a luxury sports car like that one you see on our screens, only to dodge a 1.45 crore local tax and then get pulled up for it and get embarrassed for it. Exactly what's happened in Bengaluru, where RTO officials intercepted a Maharashtra-registered Ferrari near Lalbagh for allegedly evading Karnataka's road tax. The car had reportedly paid just 20 lakhs of tax in Maharashtra, but was seen zooming past and around Bengaluru roads since last September. So it's been close to a year now, and he's not, or he or she, has not yet paid the road tax in Karnataka and has been moving around without a valid local registration. It's still registered under Maharashtra registration. Now, after a tip-off from the traffic police, the RTO had to step in, and in what's now turning into a public spectacle. The funny part here is that the RTO officials also did not know how to handle this, because such an expensive car, they did not want to seize it. So what they did was they found the car outside Lalbagh, and then they actually towed the car and brought it right back to the owner's home. So this car is now parked in front of the owner's house itself, and officials are waiting for final instructions on what to do. How do they officially seize it? A notice has been issued. Of course, unless dues are cleared, the car will not be released. It will be taken away and taken under the Motor Vehicles Act. This case is yet another example of how this growing trend prevails, where luxury cars are bought for cheaper from elsewhere and they refuse to pay the state's tax. Now, we know Bengaluru's road tax. Karnataka, in fact, has high road tax. But at least clearly here, there's no escaping it. Enforcement has tightened, and the message isn't hidden here. It's loud and clear. Even if it's a Ferrari, a flashy, fast one like this, there's no outrunning the tax man. But seriously, 7 crores on a car, but you won't pay road tax. According to me, that's plain silly.